What's going on YouTube? Black Prince the Barber. I just want to take time out to thank everybody that subscribed to my channel. Big ups to you guys. I really want to give shout outs to a lot of subscribers, but you know, I'm kind of like forgetting who my subscribers are. But I know a couple of you guys, about a little handful, like Joanne, a big shout out to you. Rich Naturals, major shout out to you, brother. And Desmond Mitchell, shout out to you. If I'm missing anybody, shout outs, you know what I'm saying? Just let me know in the comment section. But I just want to do the little short video to let you know that I will be doing a Cashapp giveaway. That includes my new subscribers. So I'm gonna start doing Cashapp giveaways like every Thursday or every other Thursday. I really haven't come up with a decision yet. But with that being said, man, but this is the catch right here. This is the catch to win a Cashapp. You have to like, you have to subscribe, and you have to comment. Also, you have to share. Now, when I say you have to share the videos that I put on YouTube, that means after you like, subscribe, comment below, you're gonna share my video that you're commenting on your social media page. After you share it on your social media page, then you come back to my YouTube channel, and in the comment section, just say you shared my video, and you might be the winner for the Cashapp giveaway. Now, the Cashapp giveaway, I'm just gonna start small. You know, I'm not just gonna jump up and say $250 or $300 Cashapp giveaway. No, I'm just gonna start small just to see where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? So the Cashapp giveaway will be, I just say $100. Who can beat that? $300 Cashapp giveaway. Me give you $100. The only thing you have to do is like, subscribe, comment, share. And don't forget now, go on your other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or whatever platform you guys have. Share my video. Then you come back to my video and be like, I shared your video. So your name could be pulled for the Cashapp giveaway. But with that being said, man, hey, I really appreciate the support you guys giving me. And you know, it comes deep, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I really appreciate that, man. Even though I don't get many views on my YouTube videos, I'm just trying to, you know what I'm saying, reach out to different people to show them that, you know, I can support you as well as you can support me. But with that being said, man, it's your boy Black Prince the Barber. Y'all be in touch, man, because you know, y'all stay connected, man. Turn on post notifications, because you don't know when I might just upload a video. But as of right now, speaking of upload videos, I'm gonna have to figure out what days I'm gonna upload videos to see when my subscribers be online. But with that being said, man, y'all just take care. Y'all stay connected. Y'all this video, like, share, comment, subscribe. Share this video right here. Come back and tell me that you guys shared this video, and whoever tell me that they shared this video right here, you'll be entered into the Cashapp giveaway, $100. But with that being said, it's your boy Black Prince the Barber. May God bless. Peace.